Hello, today I will show you how to move or change the position of apps on your Android. So let's get started. So find the app on the home screen that you want to move. So just tap and hold the app icon you want to move and wait until you feel a slight vibration or see a small pop-up message. And this indicates that the app is ready to move, and then drag the app to a new desired location on the screen. And also be careful not to accidentally delete the app. So do not drag it to the top of the screen where the remove icon might appear. And also I will show you how to add a new app to the home screen. Open the app drawer by swiping up from the bottom of the screen, and here find the app you want to add to the home screen and hold the icon of the app and drag the icon to the home screen in a convenient spot. So now you know how to fully edit your home screen. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.